new clothes and stuff, bags, wigs, bags with her stuff in it, and all of that.
How I've been living without you.
Hey, welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today we are doing a small closet makeover, y'all, and I'm so excited, honey. Before I even open up this closet door, just know it is a mess, okay? But it is time to get my life together, you guys, and get this closet organized. It's time to do, you know, a cutesy little small closet organization video with y'all today, honey, because we're about to get it together, okay? I got this really cute Temu shoe rack. I'm gonna show you guys off to the side. I think I only paid like a couple of dollars for it, but baby, y'all know since those prices have changed, the price I'm showing you now is the actual price for the item. So if it's something that you like, then go pick it up. But yeah, honey, let's get right into this small closet makeover. First of all, I realized I need to get my life together, okay? I need to get my life back on track. And so y'all, we have been cleaning out our closet, okay? Pretty much taking all of my clothes out from my winter clothes and everything like that, y'all. And girl, I have like 3 bags, but it's like coats and stuff, boots and things like that. Y'all, why? Huh? I know. Go ahead, talk about me. Say how much of a shopaholic I am. Say, but honestly, let me tell you. We listen, but we don't judge. Okay, we listen, but we don't judge. Hear me out. So these are my winter clothes. Okay, you guys. All of these are winter clothes right here. Bags, shoes, coats, and all of that. Okay, just all winter. And those are babies' winter clothes right here. And so we also have some things for our bedroom makeover. I told you guys that we're working on as well, y'all. And these are things that we are taking to storage. Just, you know, our old glasses. Wait, hold on, wait, girl, not all of it, because I got to take this out, child. I plan on keeping those. Hold on now. Well, I'm sitting up here seeing everything going to storage, girl, not that. Oh, we just got to get our life together, honey, and get this stuff on up out of here, because y'all know we are doing a bedroom makeover. So we plan on moving our bed from this side to over here, and just, yeah, right. What I'm really not showing you, girl, is this closet. I know, whatever. But okay, so y'all, I got bags on the floor, Forever 21 bags. We have the child, everything is just all over the place. So we need to do like a spring summer closet organization situation going on right here, because I got a new shoe rack. I'm gonna hang it up here and put like all of my sandals, slides, and also my sunglasses in there. So yeah, girl, we about to get into that. As of right now, it's just looking a mess.
I've been working like this today.
Oh my God. How heavy are they, babe?
Oh, 100 pounds a piece.
That is crazy. The new sofa has arrived, and look at how big this box is. Like, look at how tall that is. The box that says hangers here.
I don't think it say hangers though, so.
Y'all, I think she trying to come for me, and I ain't even sent for her. So excited to have all of these new hangers, and God knows. How many packs of these I have? 2.5?
We have 2.
It came with 4.
I think so.
Okay.
You want me to change that line out to white?
Huh?
You want to change that? I know where my bulbs are now.
You ain't gotta do it right. You feel
I
like
got my ladder and my bulbs. It shouldn't take long.
you feel like being Buddha Builder?
I feel like you see your closet better. Like
With the white. Y'all think I can see it better white? Okay, y'all see it yellow. Now we're gonna have baby change the light to white.
So I think I should only need one.
Now, when you take that down, I can watch that
Okay.
that lamp nipple.
Put your shine bright light on.
Shine bright. Oh, excuse me. Okay, there we go. See, y'all, first of all, so we have white lights in our lamps, and right away y'all can see that white light is about to eat down, baby. You can already tell that it is going to look good. So, y'all, she just could not wait, honestly, to get up there. But let me get this needle. I mean, this nipple.
Oh, so you see a needle bag?
Absolutely not. Okay, I don't want nothing to fall on my head. Okay, nothing. Oh, look at that. But I know this is going to come so clean. I'll be right back.
Cut that light back on, too. Let me see something. Because why these bulbs look like they white? Maybe that's yellow. No, they're yellow.
Yeah. I knew they were yellow.
Because we got both white and yellow light bulbs, so... Now, this one is not the same wattage, but let's see.
Baby, it's still yellow. You ain't put the same light bulbs in, did you?
No, because the light bulbs that I took out is on the bed, laying there.
Oh. Yes! Yes! Much better, right? Much better, guys. Yes. Okay, so first things first is to put this shoe. It's like a cute little netted shoe rack. It's actually a lot longer, girl, than I thought. Look at how long this is. Remember, I told y'all I'm 5'6" and a half, 5'7". Give me that. But y'all, and this is almost my height, so I think this is gonna be good. But
something about the way that you talk to me, even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Technically, your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you,
I'm sure it probably would have just been easier to put the hooks on and hook it. But one thing about me, I am gonna do it the hard way. Okay, though. But y'all see how tall that is? That is nice. What's this? Put it up, and I was like, yes, very good. So we're gonna be putting our, see if we can fit our sneakers in here. Yes, look at that.
Okay.
See?
Definitely needed.
We are about to get some closet organization going on around here, sugar.
Period.
Because, see, as you guys can see, it definitely fits sneakers. This is good, babe. This is good. Y'all, girl, I got all of these new clothes and stuff. Bags, wigs, bags with her stuff in it and all of that. And we go. Girl, and that red bag is full of wigs. I know. This is gonna be good. First of all, okay, you guys, so the closet makeover is done, y'all. I am so excited because look at all of the space I have now that I have cleaned everything out. I have all of these free hangers, including the free hangers, of course, from what I took down. I took down all of my summer clothes. I did keep a lot of my blazers and stuff like that in here because, you know, I plan on wearing those, but a lot of my summer clothes and stuff like that. But I have so much more space, you guys. Listen, if you have a small closet, do a small closet makeover. You know, get you a shoe rack or a shoe, I don't know what this is, like a hanging shoe shelf or whatever, girl. A hanging shoe rack. Get you a hanging shoe rack and put it on the doors. You know, you can put one on both doors if you have two, because we do have another door, you know, right here. But yeah, get you one of those. And also, you guys, this This is a DIY closet organizer that we have here. And as you can see, we also have been putting in the shoe boxes in here as well. So that's baby's shoe side and this is mine over here, you guys. And so, you know, I have just been, like I said, getting my life together and, you know, wanting to do some organization in our closet and everything. And it is looking amazing. Now, I do have 2 bags of clothes that still need to go in the closet, but it's just little things, really, like some dresses and stuff that I have picked up for the springtime, y'all. But this looks good, and like all of my shoes fit perfectly on that shoe rack, so that is perfect, you guys. And I am absolutely in love with this small closet makeover. Like, it did what needed to be done. It gave me the space that I need to, you know, like I said, I have some clothes in storage and everything, so I plan on getting all of that. But yeah, y'all, just wanted to show you guys my cute little Temu shoe hanging shoe rack, and it did what it needed to do. As you guys can see, it holds a lot of shoes and I love it. So
That's gonna be. I don't know what's going on that you don't return. I'm just saying, I don't know what will be going on. He been not gonna do the change. Cause I just keep thinking. Yeah. You got me in there because the chain was on the door. He was opening it up and the chain was.
that's what it sounded like. He was like pushing it and pushing it
And
and
then
pushing
we
it
got
and
it
then
just turned
kicked
around and we
it
seen it. And it popped up, we heard the door swing open and get out. But for them not to be ordering, where she at?
right. Is she even home? Was she even home?
Because the
Girl,
chain was
she ain't dead with this person. You really have to watch the company that you keep. You do.
Yeah, that's how I had to be so quiet. It's very hard. The girl that you see, she got the one.
Not the door open and she's standing there.
Yeah, she had to open it.
Girl, you better be
She
nosy.
and she opened it. She was looking at her like, oh, you saw this.
Y'all listen. Start being in people business, okay? In 2025, you have to be in people business because too much is going on out there in the streets. You don't really know these people for real when you get to know them. Within the first couple of months, they just show you the representative anyway. So y'all, we have some new neighbors. They only been over there for a month, and she done locked homeboy out the house twice, okay? Both times he came home like early in the morning. So y'all, he beating on the door at 2 o'clock in the morning, and then we noticed it then, and then he was still beating on the door like when I woke up at 5 o'clock this morning, and it's like, y'all, then after that, he is on the phone screaming, hollering. To who? So apparently, girl, he is on the phone with some other girl outside the door talking about some, I guess she opened up the door, or like, I guess she gonna let him in, but child, as she didn't, the chain was still on the door. So this fool then kicked in the door to the house, and the crazy part is, we don't hear anything now. This just happened. Like it's been happening since 5 o'clock this morning. And what time is it?
It is 9.
Girl.
It's been happening since 2 o'clock this morning.
Mm-mm.
I'm gonna tell you what I think it is, right?
What?
He usually goes to work Monday to Friday.
True.
I think he was locked out. He probably was on his last strike at work and he couldn't get in the apartment. That's why he was crying. because he had to get in. I gotta get to work. This bitch know I gotta get to work type thing. That's what I think the issue is.
No, ain't no this bitch. No, I gotta get to work, sir. See, because if you would have had your ass home last night, getting ready on time, your job wouldn't be in jeopardy. See, people put themselves in these types of positions, and then you probably want to go and try to blame somebody else. Baby, it's your fault if you lose your job. It is not her fault because that woman that told your ass to come home a couple of nights in a row, and you just keep on showing up whenever you feel like it. So she got sick of you, put the chain on the door, and now you want to kick the door in. Girl, it is very quiet. Maybe once he kicked in the door, she was just like, child, okay.
Oh, he was gonna cuss her out still, though. You see what I'm saying?
But you know what? We did find out. We can't hear through the wall.
You can't hear through the
You can
walls,
only
but
hear
you
them
can
when
hear
they're
the front
on the
door.
front door.
Yeah.
Because our walls, this is a well-built apartment, y'all. So you can't hear it through the walls, but baby, if they own this, if they're outside the door, yeah, like in the hallway, you can hear them. Watch who you are dating, ladies. Men, watch the people that you are dating because, like I said, people are putting their representatives out within the first couple of months, and then next thing you know, y'all move in together because, like I said, they just moved in. I don't know if this is their first apartment, child. I don't know all their business. But what I can tell you is that this is their second fight since they have been there, and